Hello, Andrew Bay here, and I am aboard the MS Noordam from the cruise line Holland America Line. And as you saw in the very previous shot, I'm in the 3-story main lobby atrium. Sometimes if you're lucky, you'll be boarding the gangway over there, and this beautiful room will be the very first thing that you see. So today we're going to do a tour of the ship, starting from the very lowest levels, working our way up, and primarily focusing on the public rooms. So let's get started with that today. So on this level is guest services, where you could complain and have any concerns that you want to address during your cruise. So here we are at the main entertainment venue, the world stage, where you will see your shows, whether that be musicals, magic shows, ventriloquist, whatever it may be for the night. So if you follow me, we'll enter through the first level and you can see the vastness of the room. And as you can see right now, they're preparing for a nature talk, which during these open sea days, full day at sea, they usually have these little venues. You could turn around and you could see the vastness of the room. It covers 3 passenger decks, where right now we're on level 1 still. Just walked up to deck 2, where we're going to go into the casino here. And it's just a standard cruise ship casino, as you could see. So here on deck 2 as well is the billboard onboard lounge. If you follow me, I'll just show you a quick little tour of this room. Once again, we have the casino where I just came from. And usually after dinner, they have a live pianist here playing your favorites. And you can enjoy cocktail, wine, whatever, because there's a bar right over there. So we're going to walk aft right now. This is the starboard side. And we're going to go towards the rear of the ship, or the stern, whichever you want to call it. Follow me, there's a couple lounges I want to show you.
Yeah, but once you want to hop on and hop
As
off.
you can see,
I do want to hop off, but
it is the Tasman
she
Sea
doesn't
out
want
there.
to hop off, so I told her we can just do one cycle.
All day at sea
and then
today.
turn it back to the ship and then walk the half-mile back to the place. You know, that's what I did in Auckland. I took her back to the hotel.
This is the Rolling Stone Lounge. If you like to party, get drunk, dance a little bit, this is the place to do it. So continuing walking down that corridor there, I'm going to show you to the second floor atrium. If you take a look across the way, that is Pinnacle Grill. It is truly a highlight if you are on one of these Holland America Line ships, because the food there is phenomenal. And if you look behind me, it is the Pinnacle Grill. Pinnacle Bar, pardon me. And this is the art gallery on board. Come on, step inside, I'll show you some pieces of art here that is really quite lovely. Very high quality artwork. Take a look at some of their statues here that they have, figurines or whatnot. So that's going to be the art gallery. Let's continue down this corridor and see what else there is over there. This is the Explorers Lounge, and I like to come here and relax sometime. Just the other day I had a lovely Shirley Temple as I was looking out the ocean there. Definitely a good place to go if you just want some inner peace and just to relax. And here it is again, the Explorers Lounge. So we're at the dining room now, and I can't really show you inside because there's an event going on. I believe they're having brunch right now. But it is a lovely, lavish, two-story dining room. Maybe you can kind of take a peek in there. See?
We're helping him. We're helping him.
Well, I hope you're enjoying the tour so far. As you can see, it is quite a beautiful ship. So let's continue onward. We're not going to go down this way as much because it's just basically the upper level of the dining room, which we saw earlier. So we'll just go right behind you and work our way towards the front of the ship. So I'm walking down this corridor now, which is basically the photo, where you could see some of your photos. The photo gallery is what they call it. And people around the cruise ship during the cruise will come around and just take your picture. You could always say no, but as you can see, this is where you would find them. So we're at the third level atrium now. If you look down, you can see. And right now, you're looking at the ocean bar, which occupies a majority of this deck here. And if you look behind you, it's also a part of the ocean bar, but it's currently being used by some sort of art auction or whatever this may be. So we're going to walk further down the corridor, and you will see that we're kind of like in the shopping mall part of the ship. And so we're just going to walk down here, and you're going to see many, many stores on board. So this is where you'll find some of the stores on board of the ship. And as you saw, we have a place where you could buy some watches here. We've got some sort of duty-free shop right next to this. Clothes and souvenirs. And speaking of which, I think I'm gonna get myself a new watch today. Just maybe. So here we are in the library, and this is where I go to talk about some intellectual subjects and just really immerse my mind in knowledge of the world. And if you look over here as well, this is another special place to me because I like to get my cappuccinos here in the morning. I'm tempted to get one right now, but I just had myself a large breakfast this morning and I don't want my waistline to expand. Let's go to the Lido deck and take this wonderful glass elevator up.
Deck 9, Lido deck.
Welcome to Deck 9, the Lido deck. And we're gonna take a tour of the Lido Cafe here, where you can get breakfast and lunch buffet. Absolutely delicious. Alrighty, so it looks like they're preparing for lunch. As you could already see, they're opening up the place. Just follow me. Now there's plenty of seating right now, but during the rush hour time, this will fill up really quick. And we're just gonna go all the way to the back of the ship, which contains a swimming pool. And so we're gonna step outside and just enjoy the air a little bit. We are in the aft swimming pool. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. It's a beautiful day at sea. Now, if you just come around, we're going to go back through this way, through the Lido Cafe. I'm going to show you another cool swimming pool. As you walk out of the Lido Cafe, you end up right here in the indoors/outdoor pool. It just depends if they were to close this retractable roof or not. But yeah, they have a lovely little pool here with 3 jacuzzis. And we are going to walk towards I believe it's the spa and the place you could get a manicure. So here is the spa. Located here on deck 9 in the front. Now we are on deck 10, where I'm going to show you a wonderful little viewpoint here. Observation deck, or whatever you want to call it. It's going to be called the Crow's Nest. Before we head into the Crow's Nest, I just want to share quickly, this is the Shore Excursions office, where you could talk with Holland America Line staff to prepare for your shore excursion for your next port of call. Now the ship is really moving here because we're in the bow, so the camera's a little up and down, you know why. Here we are in the Crow's Nest. If you look ahead, you can see the horizon moving up and down as the ship pitches. Let's go up to deck 11, the highest deck you could go to on the Noordam. All right, so we're on the highest deck, so we're going to conclude it here. Just take a walk with me and you can see what's on this deck. Right now they put some chairs up and whatnot. I think actually I'll come up here later and relax. And for the final view on this tour, I'm going to give you a glorious view of the ship, looking aft. Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed your tour of the Noordam. Holland America Line is an excellent cruise line. You want phenomenal service, good food, and just an overall good experience. Just keep in mind that if you're on this cruise, don't expect a lot of young people. I found that 90% of the people here are older and retired, but that's what makes it a more peaceful cruise, I think. If you want to party a little more, go on Carnival or Royal Caribbean. So that's going to conclude the video, and I shall see you in my next video, whatever that may be. Now let me enjoy the scene.